Drawing of psychrometric chart using the DA100 software. By using the data collection system, we will now explain about how to use the program that monitors the temperature, humidity and psychrometric chart in real time during the equipment operation. First, the program of the KTENG system is executed, and 1000 AHU, the AHU practice equipment, is selected. There will be a screen which shows the monitoring of diagram, psychrometric chart, temperature and humidity measurement values and formulas for the AHU system. The communication must first be connected, and in the serial setting, the serial port number is checked to click OK. Then, the Run button is clicked to select Save Data. The offset setting is clicked to transmit and output the temperature value indicated on the control panel of the equipment, and the third tab, which is the temperature parameter, is selected to input 70 and -150. Equal value is inputted from number 1 temperature to number 8 temperature. The temperature and humidity can be checked in the locations of outside air, mix, pre-cooling, preheating, humidifying, recooling and reheating, and the preferred temperature and humidity values are set inside the chamber to conduct the test. After the equipment is operated, the quantity of state on the air can be verified in real time on the psychrometric chart. To see the temperature and humidity for only the location for verification, you can select the relevant number to check the quantity of state on the location from the psychrometric chart. While the monitoring is performed with the software, the measurement values and the calculation values are stored in Excel file. You can see the KTENG setup folder in the program folder inside My Computer C drive. If you open the Save Data folder, there is an Excel file with the testing data values stored. The Excel file can be clicked to check the data on temperature and humidity values. If you press the Run button, the monitoring program will be automatically finished.